In this video, we'll look at how clipping works. Clipping material is a special material that allows you to perform real-time subtraction Boolean operations. It works based on a clipping shader, which automatically removes portions of geometry that intersect with the objects to which the material is applied. It can be assigned to polygon meshes, volumes, or vectron objects, while maintaining consistent behavior with the rest of the scene. Crucially, the resulting geometry is not simply cut, but continues to interact with all the properties of the scene. It receives illumination, shadows, reflections, and refractions like any other surface. In this example, we have placed a light source inside this object. The hole created by clipping allows the light to propagate correctly, highlighting how the material manages the interaction with the environment in a physically plausible way. The clipping material offers several configuration options. Enabled activates or deactivates the material. Enable shading. If enabled, the resulting surfaces after clipping are closed. If deactivated, however, they remain open. Intersection. This slot allows you to assign an active material to the areas of intersection between the clipping object and other geometries. If the slot is not set, the intersections will be rendered with the original material of the object being clipped. Priority defines the order in which materials are evaluated in the clipping process. By default, clipping material has a priority of 100, with a valid range of -100 to 100. For a material to be clipped, it must have a lower priority value than clipping. Conversely, if it has a higher priority, it will not be changed and will remain intact. Here we can see that the clipping material has a priority of 50, while the object material has a priority of 0. If we set the priority to 100, the clipping material will no longer affect the object to which that material is assigned. In this way, we can easily manage different groups of geometries, even close to each other, intervening only on those that interest us. Custom ray epsilon is a specific value of the clipping material, similar to the kernel ray epsilon parameter, which allows you to correct or reduce any artifacts in the intersecting areas or on the clipping mesh. By adjusting this value, you can improve the quality of the final result. Custom ray epsilon enable. Ability or disability the custom ray epsilon attribute. It is on by default and controls the accuracy of the calculation. If disabled, it will be based on the ray epsilon setting of the kernel. In this video, we have seen how material clipping is a shader that allows you to quickly and easily cut the geometry of an object in a non-destructive way, generating sharp and clean sections directly in renders, and is particularly useful in architecture, product design, and technical visualizations to clearly show the inside of structures or products without having to modify the original mesh.